Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Carla Hampton and today I wanted to share with you how I organize my fabric. So if you're interested in getting some ideas, something maybe that you can use in your own sewing room, then stick with me. Like I was saying, so here today I want to show you my little tricks of storing my fabric. First of all, if you know me from my past videos, you know that I like foam core board. So that's what I was just wanting to show you. So this is a piece of foam core board, and what I do is I take it and I make 6 pieces at an 8 by 10. That's how much this will make for me, and that's what I wrap my fabric in. And this is what it ends up looking like. I like it because it's thick, a little thicker, and that's just what I like. But a lot of people use other things, and that's totally fine. But I just want to show you what I do today. So I have my piece of fabric, and I'll show you how I fold it. I take a piece of fabric. This is probably almost a good 1.5 yards. I consider the width of my fabric and my board the size of my board. What I like to do is I do a tri-fold. First of all, I do about the width of the board, which is 8 by 10, so 10 inches. So what you do is you just take it and you fold the other end inside like so. And then I usually just start here at the end and I start folding it onto my foam core board like so. And look how nice that looks. And then I will take some pins, straight pins. I just use the little cheap ones you can buy, and I just stick one on either side to secure the fabric in. And that is how I do my yards of fabric. And if something is too big, I will put it in my filing cabinet so that it's hidden. I only show my pieces I like. Now on pieces that are smaller, like this piece is about 20 by 26, anything this small, I like to roll it up and put it on this little stand, as you see here. So how I do that, depending on the size, I like to, like this one, I'll leave about that width, but then I'll fold in half, and then if it's got a rough edge on it, I'll go ahead and fold it in first like that, just a little ways, and then I'll roll up toward the nice end like so. Okay, then you end up with this really nice roll, and then I just take a pin, stick the pin in here to secure the fabric, and then I will put it on my little rack that I have. Now last but not least, the scraps. This is the biggest problem that most sewers have, because we get all these scraps and we're like, what do we do with them? Well, I tell you what, something that I found actually on Pinterest, a Ziploc bag. Very good way to do it. Now this is my white fabric, but I have one for each color. What's really nice about this is you can store them in a box that you've made. You can put them in a filing cabinet. You can put them on a shelf and stand them up, and you can easily see the colors, and that's what I like. So I think this is a really cool idea. So as you can see from these pictures, that you can do many things. You don't have to do just what I've done here today, but hopefully this gives you a little bit of an encouragement to look for ways to do your fabric. These really work for me, and so I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions or any better ideas, I'd love to hear them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you.